Carrots are one of the easiest and most rewarding vegetables to grow in the garden. They taste great, and the fresh ones from the garden are much better than store-bought ones. But most of the time, when people harvest carrots, they cut off the leaves and throw them away. That's a big mistake. Those leaves are full of nutrients and can be used in the garden in two simple ways. Instead of wasting them, we can turn them into something useful that will help plants grow better. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to use carrot leaves in your garden. The first thing you need to do is chop the leaves into small pieces. This helps them break down faster and makes them easier to work with. Once they are chopped, you can start using them for the first method, which is making liquid fertilizer. This is an easy way to give nutrients back to your plants. Take a few handfuls of the chopped carrot leaves and put them in a bucket or any container that can hold water. Then, add a few handfuls of compost. The compost helps introduce good bacteria and nutrients into the mix, making the final fertilizer even better. Now, fill the container with rainwater or non-chlorinated water. It's important to use water that doesn't have chlorine because chlorine can kill the good bacteria needed for the fermentation process. Once the water is added, mix everything well. Stir it so that the compost and leaves start breaking down together. Then, cover the container with a lid or something that allows a little air to pass through. Now comes the waiting part. You need to leave the mixture for at least 7 days. During this time, the good bacteria will break down the leaves and compost, releasing nutrients into the water. After a few days, you may notice bubbles or a strong smell. This is normal and means the fermentation is working. Once 7 days have passed, your liquid fertilizer is ready. But before you use it, you must dilute it. Mix 1 part of the fertilizer with 10 parts of water. This step is important because the fertilizer is very strong, and if you use it directly, it might harm your plants. Once diluted, you can use it to water your plants. This fertilizer is rich in nutrients, especially nitrogen, which helps plants grow strong and healthy. It also improves soil health by increasing the number of good microbes in the soil. Now, let's talk about the second method. This one is even easier. Instead of throwing the carrot leaves away, we can use them as mulch to improve the soil where we harvested our carrots. This will help prepare the bed for the next round of planting. First, take the chopped carrot leaves and spread them over the empty bed where the carrots were growing. This will create a protective layer over the soil. Mulching is a great way to keep moisture in the soil, so it doesn't dry out too fast. It also stops weeds from growing because it blocks sunlight, making it harder for weeds to sprout. As the leaves slowly break down, they will add nutrients back into the soil, making it richer and better for plants. To make the mulch even more effective, we will sprinkle some neem cake on top. Neem cake is made from the leftover material after neem oil is extracted, and it has many benefits for the soil. It helps keep away harmful insects and pests that can damage plants. It also helps protect against soil diseases and fungal infections. Neem cake is full of good nutrients, but it releases them slowly over time, which means plants can get a steady supply of food. Next, we will add a layer of fully decomposed manure. Manure is an excellent natural fertilizer because it contains lots of nutrients that plants need. It is important to use fully decomposed manure because fresh manure can be too strong and might harm plants. When we spread the manure on top of the carrot leaves and neem cake, it helps speed up the breakdown of the leaves by providing more beneficial bacteria. The manure also improves the texture of the soil, making it softer and easier for plant roots to grow. This combination of carrot leaves, neem cake, and manure creates a rich organic layer that will make the soil much better for the next round of planting. Once everything is in place, we need to wait about 2 weeks before planting anything in the bed. This gives the carrot leaves time to start decomposing, and the nutrients begin to mix with the soil. During this time, the neem cake and manure also start breaking down and improving the soil's overall quality. After 2 weeks, the bed will be ready for planting again, and the soil will be much richer and healthier. This method not only makes use of garden waste, but also helps grow stronger, healthier plants without using chemical fertilizers. Both of these methods are simple and effective. The liquid fertilizer gives plants an instant nutrient boost, while the mulch method improves the soil for long-term plant growth. Instead of throwing carrot leaves away, we can turn them into something useful that benefits the entire garden. Try these methods in your garden and see the difference they make. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out more videos on my channel. I have many tutorials on making organic fertilizers, improving soil health, and growing better plants. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support the channel and stay updated with more gardening tips.